In this video, you will learn how to use the order form, as well as how to access the virtual base feature and Ortho Analyzer. Now we will show you how to use the order form in Dental Desktop. First, select the patient case you'd like to work on by selecting it from the list of patients. Click the Patient button in the upper left corner of the screen. Then, open the Dental Desktop order form by selecting the first icon, Case Setup, in the workflow bar. Select Orthodontics and click on the virtual base and/or Ortho Analyzer according to what you need to do with the case. It is possible to use the virtual base feature when virtual base has been selected in the order form and hereby positioned in the workflow bar. To access the virtual base feature, you simply click the icon in the workflow bar. Likewise, it is possible to use Ortho Analyzer when Ortho Analyzer has been selected in the order form and hereby positioned in the workflow bar. To access Ortho Analyzer, simply click the icon in the workflow bar. You have now learned how to use the Dental Desktop order form, as well as how to access the virtual base feature and Ortho Analyzer on Dental Desktop. We hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.